satisfaction. I've got what I want from here. And it's not a journey of which one person can realize properly. But I am satisfied for the little I've got from here. I repeat, it's not a journey that one person can realize properly. One person cannot realize it properly. But I am happy for what I've got. I'm happy for the little I have got. I'm satisfied for the little I have got. All these trees, vegetables, all the vegetables you are seeing have name, label on it of where they come from. It's really a tourist area. It's beautiful. Look at this tree. It looks like forest tree. The kind of tree that used to grow so big. It came from China and Japan. Here is it. Look at the color. Though I believe that the trees here are so young, they are not all that old. And this tree, the reason why they cover it like this, may need a lot of sun. Look at it here. They build a place for it. Here is it. There's a tree under this. They build a house for it there. I think I have to stop. Very few I stop here now. Yeah, I've got enough. It's a very beautiful place. I came on my own alone. All these trees you are seeing have got name. They are all cataloged with line, well kept, well taken care. Some look unreal. Look at apple. This is apple. This is apple. What of if one take, look at, can you see? Yeah. I take one to eat now. I am hungry. I have to stop now. Thank you. Bye. Hello, friends. It's time that we are going to go out of here now. I'm going out of here. I am still in the garden of Saint Anthony. I'm still in Saint Anthony's garden. The place is really lovely. It's really lovely. It's like when you go to farm, you don't want to come home. You work, you love your work, you love what you're doing. As you're farming, you see the farm grow. Everything is growing fine. You are seeing, when you go there, you see it beautiful. My brothers and sisters, friends, please plant garden in your home. Just see how beautiful is this place. Just see how beautiful they are. Just see how underglow. I don't know where this comes from. Can you help me to read it? If you wait. Can you help me to read this place? South Africa. Here is it. Here is it. This is from Australia. There are different kind of palm. Mexico. Every tree is here are cataloged, have their name, well organized, well arranged. Here is this. You can see it by yourself. See how beautiful. I need only barbecue to sit down and eat something. There are fruit in the trees. I feel like cutting some and eat, but you cannot just do it. Look at this is plantain. This is plantain. I want to know if it produces or not. But no one to ask. The tourist guide are not around. They asked me to wait, but I can't wait because I've been so long here now. I want to know where this plantain come from. Japan. Japan. Look at how big it is. I don't know if it I don't know if it produces or not. Can you see? Can you see it up there? Look at, it's very, very big than our own. The weather will not let it produce. The weather don't let it produce. Because after a while there will be winter. I have to go. I'm finished for the day. The day is finished. I enjoy the place. God of Israel, goodness, my goodness. So beautiful. Look at all these places. I am about to finish. Wonderful. Really, really, really more wonderful. Marvelous, marvelous. Mediterranean region. There's a lot of perfume here. Let me show you. Look at. You see, in Africa, they will not keep anything. They will not keep all this. These have a lot of spin. Upon all that is well respected. Everything they have their respect. When we go to our forests, African forests, you see how many beautiful flowers are there. You see how many beautiful trees, how many beautiful fruit that are there. You don't bring it home. The worst of all, you went and destroyed the forest, you cut the forest, you burned the forest, you started building on the forest. I do cry when I see such a thing. I bought some forest in Nigeria. I do cry when they cut the trees, when I see that the tree can no longer. Trees take hundreds of years to be what you see. Hundreds, not 100, more. Why will you cut it? Why don't you respect the trees? Why don't you respect all these vegetables so that there will be more health, there will be more rain, you will live long, you will be happy. The sun will not be so harsh as it is today. The sun won't be harsh as it is today if you respect nature. Respect the nature as God created, so that it will be good for all of us. Look at how beautiful is this place. I am ending my video for today this way. I wish I can show you more. I wish I can let you understand what I mean by showing all this kind of video. Respect nature. I thank you very much. I have finished for today. I'm going home now. Thank you so much. I am on the wrong road. I want to see how to get out of here now. I am lost now. Okay, I see people passing by. I don't know which way they take. I don't know how to get out anymore because the place is very mighty. Let me see how to go out of here. Okay, yes, I've seen it. I've seen where I came from. That road, the road didn't go well. This is the Botanic Garden of Saint Anthony. I'm going back home. I come from far. I have to take train to go back. Okay, finish. This is the office where we pay. Thank you very much. I think I will end up now. I will end here now.